The visual header is not required because we are not using this.
Raj.
This is basically this one. We are working on this now. So we'll work on that point. It will make the maximize this thing. Background image is one thing that you can put here.
Right. Mm.
You can remove the day also from the access. No, day is not required because we do not have a date here.
Oh, was that? I'm sorry.
From the access, you can remove the day
From the
in the
X.
field in the field option.
Oh, the day.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Yes, that is right. This legend is required.
No, right? It's not really required because it's pretty clear, right? It has the y-axis has the December, November, October, September, August. They're all labeled, I guess that's what I'm saying. So it's not technically required, right? Awesome. Was there anything
Done?
you'd like me to try?
No, it's done now. You have practiced all the options.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yes, sure. Now, moving to next one. I'm just taking the control from you.
Yep.
Give me the control. I just come back to the one new option. You can even do here also. You can get data from Excel and desktop. I have the files. So I am now working with the clustered. This is stack one. Now we are working with the clustered. So I click on clustered and I open and I hope the data is same. So data we have two data in this case. We have a months and then we have a data from A and B. I click on to the load data. So I have a clustered option. I click on the clustered. I have a two option. Now I click on this one. Now this is a clustered one which is giving me, you can see the two values rather than one single value comparison. You can see gray and light and dark both. So I can take month into the access field. Again, I remove the year, quarter and day, and then profit from A and B in the one value, and then profit from the other in the other values. So I'm getting the two values here. One
Nice.
profit from the one product and second profit from the second product. If you want to put a legend, if required, you can take into the month. You will get a different option here. So just coming to the color, why it is not taking. It's not taking month. Legend is not taking because of the multiple values. No worries. So we have this one. Again, we can make it a filter of the thing. We have so many here. I want to check the January, February, and March. I just click here, filter. So filter के लिए we have to use a slicer effect here. So can we add a slicer here? We can take this slicer here. This is a slicer for filter. I take the month into the field. So I'll get all the months in that way. You can see this range. By which range you want
Cool.
to take this. Fine. So you can start date. You can even select the start date. It's the 1 January. You can even select the end date from here. That is called March 31st. So I'll get data for that slab only. So this come as a filter here. Fine. This is the data. So you will get a different option here. The data is coming as a table, not required back to the report. Now I again change this by just clicking on to the March for 3 months and I click here. Now again all options are similar when you go to the format option. When you click here, when you go to the format option, we have journal, we have legends. We can put that legends y-axis, x-axis. So I just remove the x-axis. The data color, then you can change the color from here. You have a product A and B. You can have a different color here. For this, then we have a data labels which is off. I can make it on, and then you have choice where to put the data. Display unit is auto. You can take the position. So it is by default outside end. So you can say inside end. So it will go to the inside that if you do not want outside. So this all options are not in the other chart. No. So outside option is not there. You have the choice. This is the product 1 and product 2 option for the month of January and February. I'll just take this. Take the entire one. Uh, Data label color you can change. That is also a discussed points. This is no worries. Plot area, you know, title, you know, background, you know. Beautiful. All other options are exactly same.
Gotcha.
So if you come with this, then I say, I'll first of all I do and just remove this filter from here. This- Fine. Insert a new page. So when new page is there, I just take the column one. This is again similar to this, but the only issue is there is a vertical and horizontal thing. So I take month, what is the not required, then take profit from the value and the profit from this company. So all other things you have to design it. So it is basically for the comparison when we are talking about. This is for product A and B. This can be a collection from the last year and for the current year. Are you getting my point? Then you can compare in which month we are degrowing, in which month we are hitting a growth.
Hmm.
So in that type of way, this is a comparison one. So this is very, very easy to understand comparison. If you're talking about now, let's suppose one is for the month of year of 2018 and one is 2019, and you can
Hmm.
change the quantity. So even you can compare this data very easily.
Right.
I hope you understand this. No?
Yeah, definitely.
So I just close this. You have the new one with you. To try it here. Please try this.
Okay.
Next. Uh, then I again repeat, practice is very much important. When this topic is entirely practical based.
Right. Right. I still don't have access
Oh,
to control
sorry.
your screen. Yeah.
Yes. I forgot that.
No. No problem.
No, it is with you.
There it is. All right. So we're gonna get some data. Here's an Excel sheet. Clustered column and bar, right?
Just make some space, go to view and unhide, hide the filters. Go to view tab.
You saying up here?
Yes, and click on filter. Filter will disappear.
Oh, okay, I got you.
It will give you the more space